Good morning, May. Did you sleep well?
Good morning, Mr. J. Yes, I slept great.
Nice. It is time to start our day.
I am ready. What is first?
First, we get out of bed and stretch.
Okay, I love a big morning stretch.
Lift your arms and take a deep breath.
Wow, that feels so good.
Now we walk to the bathroom.
Let's go, Mr. J.
We wash our face with cool water.
Splash, splash. I feel fresh now.
Next, we brush our teeth.
I have my blue toothbrush ready.
Good. Brush up and down, nice and slow.
My mouth feels clean and happy.
Now we look in the mirror and smile.
Hello, May. You look awake.
You do look awake. I see bright eyes.
Thank you, Mr. J. You look calm and cool.
Next, we get dressed for the day.
I will wear my yellow shirt today.
That is a good color on you.
Thanks. I like bright colors.
Now we make the bed.
I pull the blanket up nice and neat.
Good job. A clean bed feels good.
Yes, it looks ready for tonight.
Next, we go to the kitchen.
I can smell breakfast already.
We will make simple food today.
Great. I am very hungry.
First, we pour water into the kettle.
I hold the kettle with both hands.
Be careful, the kettle gets hot.
I will be careful, Mr. J.
Now we get our cups ready.
I have my red cup right here.
Good. I have my white cup.
Our cups look nice together.
Last, we sit at the table and relax.
I like quiet time in the morning.
Me too. It helps the day start well.
Thank you for teaching me, Mr. J.
You're welcome, May. You learn fast.
I learn from you every day.
This is how we start a good morning.
Yes, Mr. J. I love our morning routine.
May, let's go into the bathroom now.
Okay, Mr. J. I am ready.
The bathroom is bright and clean.
Yes, Mr. J. I like this room.
First, May, we turn on the light.
I see everything now, Mr. J.
Good, May. Now we stand by the sink.
I am here, Mr. J.
Next, May, we wash our hands.
I use soap, Mr. J.
Yes, May. Rub your hands well.
My hands feel clean, Mr. J.
Now, May, we brush our teeth.
I have my blue toothbrush, Mr. J.
Good, May. Use a little toothpaste.
My mouth feels fresh, Mr. J.
Next, May, we wash our face.
I splash water, Mr. J.
Yes, May. Use cool water.
I feel awake now, Mr. J.
Now, May, we look in the mirror.
Hello, May. You look good, Mr. J.
You look great, May. I see a big smile.
Thank you, Mr. J.
Next, May, we brush our hair.
I have my small pink comb, Mr. J.
Nice, May. Comb your hair slow.
My hair looks neat, Mr. J.
Now, May, we use a clean towel.
I dry my face, Mr. J.
Good job, May. The towel is soft.
It feels nice, Mr. J.
Next, May, we use a little cream.
I put cream on my hands, Mr. J.
Yes, May. Rub it in.
My skin feels good, Mr. J.
Now, May, we put the tools away.
I put my comb back, Mr. J.
Thank you, May. The sink looks clean.
I like a clean place, Mr. J.
Last, May, we take a deep breath.
I breathe in slow, Mr. J.
Good, May. You are ready for the day.
I feel ready, Mr. J.
You did great, May.
I learn from you, Mr. J.
This is how we get ready in the bathroom, May.
Yes, Mr. J. I like our routine.
May, let's sit down and eat breakfast.
Okay, Mr. J. I am very hungry.
The table is ready for us.
Yes, Mr. J. It looks nice.
First, May, please sit here.
I sit down now, Mr. J.
Good, May. Sit nice and calm.
I am ready, Mr. J.
Now, May, we have bread and eggs.
Wow, Mr. J. I like eggs.
They are simple and good.
Simple food is nice, Mr. J.
Here is your plate, May.
Thank you, Mr. J.
You can use your fork and spoon.
I hold my spoon, Mr. J.
Now, May, take a small bite.
Okay, Mr. J.
Chew slow and enjoy the food.
It tastes very good, Mr. J.
I am glad you like it, May.
Did you cook this, Mr. J?
Yes, May, I made it simple.
You cook well, Mr. J.
Now, May, drink some water.
I have my cup, Mr. J.
Take a small sip.
The water is cool, Mr. J.
Good. Water is good in the morning.
Yes, Mr. J. I feel fresh.
Eat a little more, May.
I will, Mr. J.
Do you like breakfast time, May?
Yes, Mr. J. I like eating with you.
Me too, May. It is quiet and nice.
I feel calm, Mr. J.
Now, May, we are almost done.
My plate is empty, Mr. J.
Good job, May. You ate well.
Thank you, Mr. J.
Let's clean the table together, May.
I can help, Mr. J.
You are very helpful, May.
I learn from you, Mr. J.
Breakfast time is finished, May.
I feel full and happy, Mr. J.
This is a good start to the day.
Yes, Mr. J. I love our breakfast time.